Wait, you have to wait for
I have to ask you to leave, sir. This is the second time I'm asking you. If you come back, I have to call the police and have you trespassing in the store.
Actually, the police is already here.
Perfect. Then you can wait outside for them.
And once again, you're requesting to deny me service because of not wearing a mask, correct?
I need you to ask me to leave, sir.
That's fine. But you denied me service because of a mask, correct?
Outside for the police.
He's actually right here. He's coming in.
Perfect. In the meantime, you do need to wait outside for them.
So you deny me service because of a mask, correct?
Leave the store, sir. Last time.
No problem. Here goes the officer here.
Even better.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hey.
So, you see me without a mask? And I gave him a mask.
Look, take a picture of that. No mask, the sign.
Yeah, I did.
No mask, no service.
this one,
Yeah.
and this one right here.
Okay.
This one right here.
Yeah, I seen this one right here. Take a picture of it.
I can't.
Thank you for clarifying. I was telling her thank you for clarifying.
You don't even care wear a mask.
I don't even got one. Tell him in Spanish she don't need one.
You know that.
You don't need.
I got the vaccine already.
Yeah, exactly. You don't need. You need to film
You
her.
got the vaccine.
What's your name? Just step back, please.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, your name and badge number for the
Officer
record?
Gutierrez. I already told him.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So what's your problem today, Mother?
Okay, so I walked in the store
Okay.
to get service of, I was going to buy an item, particularly shrimp.
Shrimp? You just want
And
shrimp?
yeah, I just wanted shrimp. Probably half a pound of it. Yeah, so I went right here to the scale right here, which they got. And mind you, if you had a vaccine, you don't need a mask. Okay. And the New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy, he already put out Executive Order 241, which decrees masks are not required in private businesses and in public. And United States Supreme Court in October 2020, Michigan versus Governor Gretchen also, just let me finish, also decreed that masks and emergency orders are unconstitutional. So if the U.S. Supreme Court says it, that's decreed as law. She cannot tell me to put on a mask. So I went and I got the half a pound of shrimp. I walked up to the podium there at the desk, and she told me to put on a mask, and she tried to hand me a mask at the same time. I told her, no, thank you. I prefer, can I continue my order? She then denied me service, which is a violation of New Jersey SA 10:5-12, unlawful employment practices, aka discrimination, which states she cannot refuse me station, which states she cannot refuse me service under that act alone. So, being that she did, she committed that crime. She violated that order. So, that's why you're here today, in order to get this police report.
You want your name on the report, ma'am? No. No? Okay. All right. So, you want me to order the shrimp for you?
Oh, she already denied me service. It's that. I just will prefer you to give me the incident report. Right.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. All right, we're done.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh wait, hold on. You didn't give me the incident report number.
I'll give it to you if you want. You walk to my car.
Yeah, sure. How you doing today, officer? I'm all right. Can you state your name and badge number for the record? Nunez, badge number 443. Thank you.
Just write it down.
45521. 45521.
45521.
45521.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Want me to write it down?
Yeah, sure.
There you go.
You got her. It's
Yes, I do.
Okay.
All her information.
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate your help. Thank you.